Finding your perfect Crocs size. Tips and tricks.
Hello, shoe lovers. Today, we're going to talk about a question that many of you have been asking. Do Crocs sizes run true to size, or should I size up or down? With the wide variety of styles Crocs offer, it's crucial to understand how their sizing works to ensure the best possible comfort and fit.
Do Crocs run true to size?
The answer to this is, generally, yes. Crocs typically run true to size in terms of length. If you already know your foot size based on other brands, it's likely that you'll find a well-fitting pair of Crocs in that size. However, it's important to note that this may not apply to every single style or model of Crocs, as some may vary in fit and comfort.
When should I size up or down?
While Crocs generally run true to size, there are certain factors you need to consider. For instance, if your foot is between sizes, it is recommended to size up. This is because Crocs are made of a proprietary foam blend that expands slightly as it warms up to your body heat, so a slightly bigger size could provide a better fit. If you have a wide foot, most Crocs models are offered in a roomy fit, which means you probably won't need to size up for extra width. However, if you're buying a style that is only offered in a standard fit, you might want to consider sizing up for comfort.
How does Crocs dual sizing work?
Some Crocs shoes are offered in dual sizes, such as 8 to 9 or 10 to 11. If you're shopping for these, remember that they are designed to fit both sizes. If you normally wear a size 8.5, for example, a size 8 to 9 should fit you comfortably. In conclusion, while Crocs generally run true to size, there are some instances where you may want to size up, particularly if your foot size is in between or if you have wider feet. Remember, comfort is key, so don't hesitate to try on different sizes and styles to find your perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and happy shoe shopping!